Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dimitri, and with this short video, we're gonna show you how important it is to do a very thorough rust proofing when you get inside not only the unibody frame cross members, but it's important to get inside the control arms. And the control arm is often enclosed, so we need to get inside. We always do that. But if the rust proofing is not done, or if it's not done thoroughly, one day the spring is just going to pop out completely. Right through the week, we can buy rust control arm. And look at this crack, it was traveling up. If the spring didn't pop it, the control arm could have come apart into pieces. So make sure you have the shop that will not only inspect the mechanical condition of the vehicle, but will give you proper advice on rust preventive treatments. Thanks for watching this video from AlphaCars and Service Center from our Boxborough location. My name is Dimitri. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button.